Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Madam Salihah binti Ahmad. I am Muhammad Daniel Ahmad bin Muhammad Nurhaimi. My matric number is H21A2208. Today I want to talk about frequency distribution have a 5 step. Step 1. Decide the number of class. Step 2. Determine the class interval or width. Step 3. Set the individual class limit. Step 4. Make a tally mark for each data entry the appropriate the class. Step 5, the number of the tally mark for a class is the frequency for that class. As you can see, we have a formula relative frequency. Class divided by sample class. In relative frequency, we have a 3 column, which is a classes, frequency, and relative frequency. For the classes, we have a 5 classes. For the frequency, we do calculation to get the true answer. At the end, we get 50. For the relative frequency, we get first class is 0.4, second 0.24, third is 0.26, 4 is 0.08, and the last one is 0.02. In a graphic method, we use histogram about a bar represent the frequency distribution of dataset. So right now we have a table and graph that present about frequency. In table, we have a 3 column which are classes, midpoint, and frequency in a graph. Horizontal class scale, the data we use a frequency, and vertical scale we use a midpoint. The horizontal scale is a 20, 20, 34, and 1. For the vertical scale is 8.5, 20.5, 32.5, 44.5, 56.5. Next, in the graphic method, we use a OGIF. OGIF is about line graph the expresses the frequency continuous variation. So right now we have a table and graph to that present about frequency. In the table we have a 4 column which are classes, midpoint, frequency, and up boundaries. On the graph we use a frequency in horizontal scale, and vertical scale we use up boundaries. On the horizontal scale is 20, 12, 30, 4, and 1. For vertical scale is 40.5, 26.5, 38.5, 50.5, and the last one is 62.5.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Shamri bin Yaakob. My matric number is H21A2165. Here in this video, I'm going to talk about 2 things. First is measure of central tendency, and second is the measure of variation. For measure of central tendency, we need to look for mean, median, and lastly is mode. First, we need to find the mean. The mean is the average. The way to get the mean is to do frequency multiplied by the midpoint for each class and add by the total frequency multiplied by the midpoint of each class, then divide by the total frequency. The last calculation we got is 1037, so we need to divide 50 for looking at the mean. Where we got this 50? This 50 we got from the cumulative frequency. So the mean of the labor forest for the age group in Wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur 1082 until 2090 was approximately 20.74. For the median, how the way to get the median is with the sum of the frequency divided by 2, then look at the cumulative frequency, where the number is n, take the class and calculate together with the lower class boundary and class size. The last calculation we got for the median is 14.5 plus 25 minus 20 divided by 12 and multiplied by 11. So the median of labor for the age group 15 until 26 in Wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur was approximately 90.0833. For the mode, the way to get the mode is the class with the highest frequency count with class size, and so on. The last calculation we got for the mode is 2.5 plus 20 divided by 28 and multiplied by 11. The highest number of labor for the age group 3 until 14 in Wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur is 10.3571. We forward to the next, which is the measure of variation. In this part, we need to find the range, variance, and standard deviation. We come first with the range. The way to get the range is the maximum data entry minus by minimum data entry. So, our maximum data entry was 20. minus by minimum data entry was 1. Therefore, the range of price of labor forest by age group in Wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur is 90. Next, we need to find the variance and standard deviation. Variation is measuring the scattering of data from the minimum value. Small variance value mean the data is scattered around the minimum value. The high variance value indicated that the data is scattered far from the minimum value. And for standard deviation is the most appropriate measurement for measuring data scattering. The value obtained reflects the position of the data scattered around the mean. Therefore, the sample variance is about 9199.77 and the sample standard deviation is about 78.53. That's all from me. I'm going to pass to the next present.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azizan bin Talib. My matrix number is H21A2205. Today I want to present about my scope job is F2. I have two scope job is measure of position and the shape of data distribution. Okay, first of all is measure of position. Okay, I have 5 steps to make this part. But step 1, decide on the number classes, and step 2, determine the class interval, and then step 3, make a taller mark for each data, and step 4, remove the data that has been optioned from the pages, and then the last part is step 5 is calculate by using the formula that has been given. Okay, this is calculation. I do this part. Q1 is equal n per 4 equal 12.5, and then Q3 equal 3n per 4 equal 37.5, and the class interval is 3. For the Q1 is class interval is 3 minus 14, and then the class interval for the Q3 is 27 minus 38. Okay, the answer is n equal 15, and then you can see the calculation I do in my slide, and then after that interquartile ranger. In this part you can combine Q3, the answer of Q3 minus Q1, and then you calculate, and then you get the answer. For example, this 31.154 minus 6.375, and then the answer is 21.779.
Hi, my name is Anis Raya Abdisaidin and matric number H21A27X3. Today I want to present about the value obtained, and this is the formulas to get the value. R equal 1442960970233 minus 6245519 4 brackets 484198 divide 15, and the end result of R is 11 after apply formula use calculator. So it is very strong positive correlations at elements between x and y. For regression equations, xy minus x sigma y divided n, so after the calculate b1 equal 5355 g41 to 1300. So for last is y equal b0 plus b 1x. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Izzatul Sajara binti Husnu. My nomenclature H21A 2x27. Today I want to present about introduction to data and the variables involved. My research is based on the Google website. The table shows the number of workers engaged in manufacturing from 1959 until 2008. This table has the year's number of employees and wages and salary are per RM. Our data set is from an online database, so our data is secondary data. Data is collected and recorded by others. This data is data that is reused and collected for other purpose. Independent variable S is wages and salary paid (RM). And dependent variable unit cell Y is number of employers. Next, I would like to explain about the value equilibrium. The value of X is 62455,194 and the value of Y is 484198. The value of X power of 2 is 395609415992 and value of Y power of 2 is 12559662349. And lastly, the value of XY is 1442960970233. That's all for me. Thank you.